Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on touchpad icon in taskbar Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on touchpad icon in taskbar Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First right click in taskbar area, click on taskbar settings. Now scroll down, click on turn system icons on or off. Here option touchpad. So guys, if you want to enable or on, so select to on position. And if you want to disable, so slash to off position. Enable, so slash to on position. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on touchpad icon in taskbar. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Please comment this video useful or not.